Hey there, Star Wars fans. Welcome back to Jaymoo's Playground. Jaymoo here. And today we're going to go to part 2 of our series on how to use the Reconfiguration kit and get the most out of your Jaymoo's Playground blade. We're going to do a deep dive today into color setting for the custom blade. And what that's going to do is expose the 3 major components to a profile's color settings. First one is the blade color, and this is the color of the blade when it is idle. So after you've ignited it and the blade is on after the ignition, and what color it shows. The ignite color, so the color of the ignition, and then the default mode matching color. And this is probably the one that needs a little bit more explanation. The default mode matching color is the color that this profile will match when the blade is in default mode. And the hilt is requesting a certain color, for instance, let's say green. So remember that in default mode or in profile 0, the blade will choose the first profile in the configuration that matches the hilt's requested color, which is either the kyber crystal in the hilt or the normal color of the legacy hilt. And this is actually what's being matched, the setting of the hilt color of the profile. Now, we have our standard build here and all the profiles in the configuration showing flicker for each of the standard colors. So let's just show that right now. We'll go to profile 1 and we'll see that profile 1 has the blade color is white, ignition color is white, and the default mode matching color is also white. The Savvy's hilt that we have here actually has a green kyber crystal in it, and the blade is in default mode. So in fact, if we go ahead and plug it in, we can see that the blade is going to ignite green. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to run through a quick example. So suppose we want to change the color of this profile in the configuration that we have on this blade to from green to purple. So all we have to do is run the command set color purple. And what that does, if we take a look at it, is that now this profile is going to show the blade color purple, it's going to ignite purple, and it's going to match the color purple. Now the problem is that that's actually also what's in profile 8. And so we haven't really done anything special here. But what we wanted to do in this example was make what was normally the green profile show purple. So we need to go ahead and actually set, well actually let's go ahead and ignite it. So we should see that it is actually igniting purple. And let's make the change for set default color to green. And if we look at it now, we have the blade color is purple, ignition color is purple, but the default mode matching color is green. So if we go ahead and look at that in the blade now, so what I forgot to do, and this is something that you will also encounter, is that I forgot to save that configuration before I removed it. So if I go ahead and go to profile 5 again, everything has come back to green. And this is a great example of not saving the profile before testing things out. So let's go do this again. Set color purple and set default color green. All right, so we make sure that we save config, which will do what we need it to do. And let's go ahead and try it now. There we go. So this green kyber crystal Savvy's Workshop hilt is now showing purple as the default color for default color for green. Now there's one other feature for the color change commands that is actually the most powerful, and what we'd like to do is show you now. Suppose that we want to do a custom color that's not part of the original 8 default colors. Well, you can specify that color through R, G, B, and W values. So R is red, G is green, B is blue, and W is the white component. And so what we've done is we've selected, let's say that we want, instead of, let's go back to profile 5, instead of purple, we want this lime green color, which is different than regular green. So let's look at regular green first and see what that looks like. So that's regular green. And now we're going to set color to this lime green color that we've determined is this RGBW value 133.255.00. And if we take a look at the status now, we can see that the RGBW values have been set for blade and ignition color. And we want to continue to match the default color to green, so that we've done that. And then let's remember to save the configuration. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like on the bench. Ooh, we call that Mountain Dew color, or the in-between yellow and green, which is this lime green color. All right, let's try it in the hilt. There we go. Now you can still cycle through the rest of the profiles in like the normal way. And you'll see that in place of that green profile within the configuration is the lime green color. And that's our tutorial on how to use the set color commands to basically show whatever color you would like on your Jaymoo's Playground blade. I hope you join us for part 3. Don't forget to like the video and smash that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this.